always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Dave Warner. Drought Monitor updates every week, and it shows what we have been expecting here. The moderate drought across 87% of the state. So 87% of Florida in a moderate drought. That includes all of South Florida. We are looking at conditions just dry across the state. It has not been this dry since we've seen since 2012, where much of the state was actually about 98% of the state was in a moderate drought. Now, as far as South Florida goes, the area is expanding up to a moderate drought from last week. So all of the county, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Monroe up about 7-8% from last week. Unfortunately, we don't have much rain in the forecast, and when it's this dry, you have to look for conditions where it might get a little windy or a drop in humidity. That could be what we're talking about this weekend with our next cold front. So this latest update comes in every week. Likely next week we'll show the same thing, even though we have a little rain out there. Our next weather radar has been tracking these showers that have been moving through parts of the Keys. Little activity here, just a light raindrop or two, about maybe 1/100 of an inch or so of rain coming down, and not much else across Miami-Dade or Broward. The showers do try to develop with a southeast breeze that brings in the warm air, tries to bring in a little moisture. There's just not much of it, so we'll call it mainly dry this evening. You have about a 10% rain chance if you're out tonight. Our temperatures are hovering in the upper 70s. They'll be dropping into the mid to low 70s, even in the Keys, where it's just a little cooler because of that rain. In Key West, temperatures holding steady in the upper 70s. We're calling it warm here over the next few days. The big change comes in by the weekend. A few isolated showers are possible tomorrow. I think we could actually take the rain chances out of the forecast. The lower rain chances tomorrow, slightly drier air. Now we will put rain in the forecast over the weekend, Saturday to Sunday. Big change coming in. Clear sign of where we see this next front. There's cooler air behind it, and it's moving into the northern Florida peninsula by Sunday night. So you'll feel this by Monday morning. The front comes through, and we're calling it cooler, not really tapping into that cold air. That's staying up to the north. We just don't have that northwest wind going all the way to us here in South Florida. It's just a bit milder in the afternoon, as even though the front stalls just to our south. 60s and 70s here right near the coast. That east breeze is fighting the north wind, so the coldest air stays well up to the north. We will have a noticeable drop in temperature, slightly drop in humidity. The breeze will pick up as well. No alerts with that light east breeze, although it's coming in about 10 to 15 knots in the Atlantic waters and the Keys. The temperatures will stay in the lower 80s. We could actually bump it up to 83. Timing still looks like Sunday to Monday with the front coming through. Cooler weather in the morning, cooler in the afternoon, maybe a few showers, and possibly an uptick in our rain chances by the middle of the week.